Welcome everyone. Today we are diving into the fascinating world of fast fashion, focusing specifically on Zara, one of the leading brands in the industry. Fast fashion is all about speed and efficiency. Zara has maintained this concept by implementing a unique business model that allows them to bring the latest trends from the runway to the retail floor in record time. But how do they maximize profits while maintaining this rapid pace?
Great question. To understand Zara's profit maximization strategy, we need to look at a few key financial aspects. Firstly, they have cost control, where they keep production costs low by sourcing materials from nearby countries and utilizing a just in time inventory system. This reduces waste and access inventory that can be costly. Secondly, Zara has pricing strategy where they employ a competitive pricing strategy. They offer trendy clothing at prices that appeal to their target market, which consists mainly of young customers. This price point attracts a large customer base, driving sales volume. Thirdly, they have high turnover rate, where Zara has a business model designed in such a way that they introduce new collection every few weeks, encouraging customers to visit their store more frequently. This rapid inventory turnover ensures that Zara can sell quickly and then holding costs and increase their cash flow.
That's insightful. Now let's talk about how Zara's marketing strategies contribute to their profitability.
Zara's marketing strategy is quite unique as compared to traditional retailers. They spend very little on advertising. Instead, they rely heavily on word of mouth and social media to create buzz around their new collection. Their marketing strategy has three main features. Number 1. Limited advertising. Zara believes in letting their product speak for itself. By minimizing advertising cost, they can allocate more resources to product development and store experience. Number 2. Store experience. Zara's retail stores are strategically located in high traffic areas and are designed to provide an immersive shopping experience. The layout, lighting, and product displays are all aimed at enhancing customer engagement, which drives sales. Number 3. Customer feedback loop. Zara actively listens to customer feedback and trends. They use this data to inform their design and development processes, ensuring that they meet consumer demand effectively. This responsiveness helps maintain customer loyalty and repeat business.
It's clear that Zara's approach to profit maximization is multifaceted, combining financial strategies with innovative marketing techniques.
Zara's success in the fast fashion industry demonstrate how effectively financial management and innovation marketing can derive profitability.
By staying ahead of trends and responding quickly to customer preferences, Zara has not only maximized profit but also built a loyal customer base.
Thank you for joining us in the exploration of profit maximization in the fast fashion through the lens of Zara. We hope you found this analysis insightful and inspiring.